Hey, what's up, guys? Um, I'm Crypto Spano. I'm just gonna do a quick video about what I'm looking at the market and why I'm not buying a lot of alts right now. I'm just gonna sit on BTC, and this is why. Okay, I want to see something like this in alts. Um, I think that BTC is in a really strong bull trend here, and this is why. The 20 MA is above the 50 MA, and the 50 MA is above the 200 MA. Last time this happened was the beginning of the bull trend here, uh, in 2016 here, or even here in 2015 here. Okay, so here we had this cross. The 20 MA was above the 50 MA, and the 50 MA was above the 200 MA. And the 200 MA acted as support in all this bull trend. Look at this. Since 2015, we didn't had a bearish cross until here, March 2018. So here we have a new cross. This is really bullish. Um, I don't know if it's gonna be a straight up just like the one of 2015, but it's looking solid. And I'm sitting down in BTC. There's no point to trade in USD dollars because you're gonna be losing money, and there's a lot of chances for BTC to go straight up. I'm not saying that we're gonna see an all-time high in 3 months or even a year, but being in BTC is more interesting than being in USD dollars because we're having this bull trend. Here in the weekly chart, I would like to see something similar of what I just said. Like, I would like to see a cross in the 20 MA and the 50 MA, just like here. And this is a confirmation. If this happens, I would like to be in BTC almost 100% because I think that Bitcoin is going to be the first to pump hard, and then the alts are going to follow. Um, if we look at USD dollars charts, just like Ethereum, this is Ethereum US dollars. Um, there's something similar. But the thing is that why would you like to be in dollars if Ethereum Bitcoin is not looking that great? You like to be in Bitcoin and just enjoy the ride than trading and losing money on fees, and you don't know what's gonna happen. Here I would like to see a cross first on 20 MA and the 50 MA. I'm starting to accumulate some Ethereum, but just because of the long term, I would like to be here. I think that alts are gonna outperform Bitcoin, but not right now. I think that Bitcoin is gonna pump first, and then alts are gonna follow. And I would like to see the thing of the 20 MA before I start buying. Litecoin is one of these coins that I would like to start buying just because we had a close above the 20 MA. And the 200 MA is working as resistance. Support, sorry. Here's working as resistance. Look how we had this rally when the 20, the 50, and the 200 MA line it up. So I think that Litecoin is going to be an exception because of the halving going like it's going to be in 90 days, like 85 days, I think, but it's near. I would like to be here. But look at the other alts. Here, I'm just gonna look at Ripple. Why I'm not touching Ripple right now? All the MAs are bearish. Here, 200 MA is working as resistance, the 50 MA as resistance, the 20 MA as resistance. Another one we can look at Ant. This is the same, and I don't have anything against Ripple. If it's looking good, the chart, I'm just gonna buy it. I don't give a fuck about that. But look at this here. We have we had this pump The 20 MA was lined up with the 50 MA, and here we had the cross. This is bearish. You want to be out. I would like to be in if we have a bullish cross. And there are some coins looking really interesting that I don't know anything about Vive, the FA. Look at this bearish. There's nothing going out here. Um, in the daily, it's not looking that great. I would like to see a cross of the 20 and the 50. But if we look at the 4 hour time frame, it's getting ready. If we have a close above the 20 MA and the MAs started lining up, I'm gonna buy it because I think that we can have a rally. I don't know if it's choppy as this one, but there's gonna be something interesting going on. Probably like this. Okay, so you need to start looking at the moving average, and you'll need to be patient because I think that this is not gonna be um, happening in the short term, probably 3 months, but I would like to see it in the daily, just like Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is a cryptocurrency that is looking um, really really bullish. I mean, this MAs line it up. I'll get out if we have a bearish cross here. If the MA crosses the 50 and it's looking bearish, that is gonna happen around 6,500. But I don't know. To be honest, I'm just gonna go with the trend. Here, there's another one that is looking good, Ethos. And why? Because it's trying to find support in the 20 MA. Well, this is risky. Like buying here, it's gonna be really, really risky. And I don't care if I'll buy here, but I would like to see the cross first. Okay, like this one, I would like to see it coming like this. This one would cross, and the 20 MA is gonna cross first. So once the 20, the 50, okay, my numbers are really, really bad. This is 50, okay? And the 200 are lined up. I would like to start buying. Right now, Bitcoin is looking really, really strong. There's another one, Walton Chain. I'm not buying it right now because the 20 MA is working as resistance. I would like to see it above the 20 MA. The price I would like to see it above the 200 MA. But I I want to record this video to explain you why. Here we had this bearish cross. Okay, it looks like the bears are getting out of fuel in the altcoins, and this is just an expression because Bitcoin is looking really, really good. So a lot of people is just sitting down in Bitcoin, and I understand. I'm just gonna do that. And once we have these bullish crosses in the 20 MA and the 50 MA, I'm just gonna flip my Bitcoin to altcoins. Right now, there's no point. There's a lot of resistance in altcoins. Lisk, I would like to see Lisk because we have a lot of data on this one. This is why, I mean, it doesn't matter if you're in Bitcoin and you're making some money. You'll need to wait because the money is in the altcoins, and you still have time to buy more Bitcoin. Here, look, all the 200 MA is working as resistance, a really tough resistance. Here we have a cross. This was buy. Okay, I understand. You get out here in the bearish cross, but altcoins are trying to push the price, like here. Okay, you want to be in here. You buy this pullback because the 200 MA is working as support. Here, all the MAs are lined up. This rally was good. You'll be making a lot of money. Like here's where the 260% starts. Mm, there are gonna be really interesting altcoins. I think that Matic and GTO, this one is looking good. Okay, and this is why In the daily, it's not looking as good as in the 4 hour time frame. But right now, it's trying to find support. It found support here a few days ago. Right now, it's trying to push. Um, on the 4 hour time frame, the MA is trying to line it up. And the thing is, sorry, if we have a close above the 200 MA and the 20 MA starts to cross, you'll be buying really early. And we still need to see the crosses in the daily. But in the 4 hour time frame, it'll be a good swing trade. Like this, probably is going to happen something like this. Okay, it's going to be a 30% pump, or even like this. This was a 50%. But the thing is that you want to focus on the daily. And that's why I'm not buying alts. And I made it clear. This is Komodo. I like to buy tons of Komodo for the next alt party. But look, this is resistance. The MA is working as resistance. There's no point to buy altcoins right now. I would like to see like this kind of crosses. Like here, September. This is Quark chain. Just wait and be patient. There's no point to catch knives. RVN, I have it because of this pump. Right now, it's trying to find support in the 200 MA, the daily here. I would like to see it closing above the 20 MA to start buying some. But I'm not buying until we have this channel. If we have a cross above the channel and above the 50 MA and the 20 MA is crossing, okay, I'll buy some. There's no point. Right now, the altcoins are not looking that great. What is looking good is Bitcoin. Okay. So yeah, this is really good for all the altcoins. I mean, to the whole crypto market. Right now, it's okay to be sitting down in Bitcoin. There's no point to buy altcoins because Bitcoin is gonna outperform altcoins until we see that moving average cross. The 4 hour is also looking good. I'm looking at this triangle. I don't know if we're gonna break it down or up. I'm just gonna hold my Bitcoin until see if we have a until we have a bearish cross here. This is my sell signal. This is my exit all crypto market signals. But right now it's looking good, and there's no point of trade if Bitcoin is looking at this strong. We have a bearish cross here, just like we had here. Okay, I'll sell. I don't know, probably 10%, just a little back to buy some uh, Bitcoin cheaper here at 7,000. But yeah, like this is really bullish. There's no point to be in US dollars. There's no point to be in altcoins. Right now, it's time to be sitting down on Bitcoin, wait and wait for the altcoin party that I think that is going to start in, I don't know, probably August, September. I don't know. I'm just going to wait and see that the M is line it up. And it's about being patient. And I'm going to buy more Bitcoin to buy more altcoins. And at the end, I'm just going to cash out because this is market cycles. Okay, look at this. Cardano had a really good um, rally here, but this is because of the MAs line it up. Right now, why being in Cardano? I understand it if you want to short it. Well, if you wanted to short it here, it was a really good short because the MAs were lined it up. Right now, it's not a good point. I don't know. I wouldn't short, but this is how the MAs work, and this is a good example. The 20, the 50, and the 200 MAs line it up. Like this is bullish, this is bearish, just like that. Okay. So yeah, that was my review. I hope it was good. Um, that's why I haven't been um, active in my Telegram channel a lot because I'm just in Bitcoin. I'm just doing swing trades, like really fast swing trades. Some altcoins. We had a good swing trade here in Fed. Um, look at this cross. Okay, so this cross is the first signal of a buy. Right now, I'm not in Fed anymore. I would like to see it close above this line. Uh, and it doesn't matter if I bought it, like, if I buy it at 10% up, okay? Because I know that there's going to be really good chances of another rally. I'm just going to wait, okay? So I have my bots, I have everything. I'm just going to have my signals, and that's it. I'm just going to wait. There's no point to risk your Bitcoin buying altcoins and catching some knives. If we know there's going to be a good bull trend, why trying to anticipate something? Okay. So yeah, the market is looking way better. GTO is looking good. Bitcoin is looking good. Have an eye on Vive. Have an eye on Tether or this shitcoin. And these are just gonna be quick swing trades. I don't have any interest in holding these ones. I have interest in holding Bitcoin, Ethereum. I'm just gonna buy some Litecoin for the halving, but that's it. Okay. So I hope you liked the video. If you like it, you can write me on Telegram or something. Just tell me that if you like these kind of videos, I'm just gonna start recording more. And that's it, guys. This was Crypto Span. I hope you liked the video.